Click up now. Welcome back to the channel, guys, with another video.
So this time we're talking about like the stocks that we have to buy, and what's the date today?
Today is the
5th February.
5th of February.
So on 5th of February, we decided that these are the 6 stocks that we want to invest in. So we're changing our portfolio accordingly. And these are the 6 stocks that we think are the best, and we're going to give it to you. So it's like a challenge between me and Dan. I picked 3, Dan picked 3. And let's see the reasoning behind that.
NIO,
Tesla,
Credit Suisse,
SPX 500,
Alibaba.
Nasdaq.
Why do I think NIO is good? Well, of course it's a sort of like a new company, but it's doing really well. And I wouldn't say it's like a competitor to Tesla, but I believe in the future it will definitely be.
And the fact that it's backed up by Chinese government, so that actually gives it a boost and like a proper success.
Yeah, so that's why I think NIO is actually good to buy at the moment.
I chose Tesla for the short-term period because like Tesla, I believe like it's just because of the fame of the Elon Musk, right?
There's lots of hype.
Yeah, exactly. So it's like a momentum stock. So it's just gonna grow because of the fame, and I believe like it's gonna grow for like a month or so, for a short while, and it is something good to invest in right now.
Well, Credit Suisse, because it's an investment bank, and of course investment banks don't go bankrupt, so it's really hard that they go bankrupt. It's a Swiss bank as well. It's been, at the moment for us, it's never been going as below our expectation, and so I believe it's a pretty safe stock to buy for the future and also for now.
Yeah, in the long run, especially. And given its history, it's actually a good viable option too. So I chose Nasdaq 100, and Nasdaq 100 because I'm an advocate of indices. And this is because like the vaccine is rolling out. So there's a really good chance that the index pricing are going to go up, like really go up. And that is what is happening since last week, right?
Yeah.
So Nasdaq went up, SPX 500 went up. And given their history, like it's always safe to put money in indices.
And then I chose Alibaba because, of course, it's also backed up by the Chinese government, but that's not the point.
No,
Alibaba is growing like crazy,
yeah,
and it's a massive competitor to, of course, Amazon.
Yeah.
And we've got our friend Nathan just looking at us now, so that's really amazing.
But the thing with Alibaba is that like it's like I believe it's like kind of undervalued because the Chinese government is trying to hinder its progress. Like there was a news last month or so that they couldn't do their publishing and all of that, right?
Right.
So I believe like in the future when those restrictions are over, they could actually go up really more. So that's why it's a good call. So for me, the last one I chose was SPX 500. Obviously, I'm an advocate of indices and all of that. But if you already have money in Nasdaq, I would prefer you go for HK50, Hong Kong 50 market, and that is actually a really viable, and it has seen massive increase since like what? Since November, I think.
About November.
So and I think like Hong Kong market is gonna like do really well, and it's gonna go. I believe it's gonna outperform the States market, to be honest.
Wow. Fair enough. Sounds very good to me. Of course, it's very risky as well.
Yeah,
Nasdaq
is actually very risky. Like it fluctuates a lot, so it's like risk. But the thing is like people have been making, because of the momentum trading, a lot of money on that. So if you're very vigilant and have a lot of time to kill, go for it.
Great. I hope guys you enjoyed the video, and if you want to know more about stock investments, please just hit us up on the comments.
Yeah, and go change your portfolio. Like we can be stupid, but like I believe these are the good suggestions that you might follow. So yeah.
Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.